Hello, uh, my name is Garnik, Nanagoulian, and I am the Executive Director of the Fund for Armenian Relief. I want to thank you, the people at the ICPD, for organizing this symposium and honoring the great Armenian Dr. Edgar Housepian. As well, I was asked to share my thoughts about Dr. H. I was wondering how I could fit in the limited time frame of this presentation to be able to convey what Dr. Housepian means to the well-being of the Armenian people. He's one of those giants whose legacy is hard to fit in any limited framework of presentation. We all, including, of course, the Fund for Armenian Relief, were blessed to have enjoyed his razor-sharp counsel, his visionary leadership, and his gentle, down-to-earth presence for so many years. I wish he could have been with us today, as I, for one, I miss him very, very much. He was, of course, an internationally renowned neurosurgeon at Columbia Presbyterian Hospital. For those who knew about his background, it was obvious that Dr. Housepian carried the best he represented from his genes. He was hired to a remarkable family tradition of compassionate involvement in Armenian life. In an earlier era, his parents were pioneers in humane outreach to our homeland. Their example inspired their son to excel in his profession and to share his gifts with those who were less fortunate. Like his parents, Edgar Housepian could not sit by when his countrymen were in dire need. For him, the motivating crisis was the 1988 earthquake in Armenia. In what is now an almost iconic story of daring determination, Dr. Housepian, with other FAR leaders, embarked on a mission of mercy to our homeland mere days after the disastrous earthquake, to assess the damage and formulate a response to it. But Dr. Housepian's work didn't stop after the immediate crisis subsided. It only accelerated. For more than 25 years, he was the guiding light in the effort to restructure the healthcare system of the Republic of Armenia. Thanks to his foresight, a new generation of Armenian physicians would enjoy opportunities for training and education which were impossible to even imagine previously. But above all, Dr. Housepian's effort made lasting improvements in the way people are cared for in Armenia today. According to some of his colleagues, Dr. Housepian's legacy is in the creation of the foundation of sustainable healthcare in Armenia through his famous Fellows program and for his mentorship that followed after that. I think it is only natural that the name of Dr. Housepian is on the walls of the Arabkir Medical Clinic, because Dr. Babloyan was the most reliable partner for Dr. Housepian and his plans. And today's symposium is nothing but another celebration of Dr. Housepian's legacy, with a promise to expand the capacities of Dr. Edgar Housepian Center to reach out to more people with more complex neurological problems with highly professional treatment. When he passed away in a cold day of 2014, November, Dr. Housepian was mourned as a towering figure of the worldwide Armenian community. With sadness, but yet also with gratitude, we remember his life today as an example of the Armenian heritage at its best. Thank you for honoring the name and work of one of the best Armenians of all times. I wish you productive work and the beginning or continuation of mutually rewarding collaboration. Thank you.